outside, it does not go inside. This is worship, but this is not spiritualism. Some people do Allahu with their breath. When they close their breath, Allah goes inside, and when they release their breath, Allahu again goes outside. The position is not right until Allah or Allahu remains inside. Just as there is Prophet Muhammad said that I have received 3 types of knowledge. The first for myself, second for the walis, and the third for myself or for Imam Mahdi Rasulullah. Yes.
Yes, is he the one that the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa Muhammad, when he said that I'm not quoting this verbatim, but where he said, I smell a sweet breeze coming from Yemen, is that speaking about wafer? Well, I smell a sweet breeze, coming from Yemen. Is that speaking about he never saw the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa Muhammad?
I do not understand your
arrest کرنے کی بات ہو رہی ہے arrest کرنے کی جو نہ بنا
this is the person. Arrest کرنے کو کرنے پوچھ رہے تھے کہ وہ بس کے بارے میں بتایا کہ جمن سے کچھ ہوا کہ وہی
ضروری نہیں ہے کہ arrest کرنے سے فائدہ ہو کسی بھی ولی اللہ سے جو فائد ہو نا اس کی زندگی کے بعد اس کو arrest کہتے ہیں. یہ ضروری نہیں ہے کہ arrest کرنے سے فائدہ ہو کسی بھی ولی اللہ سے اس کی زندگی کے بعد فائد ہو نا اس کو arrest کہتے ہیں.
Sarah said that it is not necessary that you receive your spiritual benevolence from Hazrat Uwais Qarni. What this Uwaisi basically means that if you receive spiritual benevolence from a saint after his life, by his soul, that is what is known as Uwaisi. Because the benevolence is imparted to you by his soul and not by his body. It's after his physical apparent demise. Are there any other questions?
There are quite a few of us who are already members of tariqas, who have taken bayat, who have our own murshids and our own sheikhs. By taking this gift, does this imply bayat?
میرے دن اکثر کچھ لوگ یہاں پر ہیں جو طریقے والے ہیں اور ان کے مرشد یہ ذکر اور یہ تحفہ آپ سے دینے سے جس کے حساب سے بہتر
مرشد وہی ہوگا لیکن جو ہے نا اس کو طالب ہے آپ کئی جگہ سے حاصل کر سکتے ہیں مرشد تو وہی ہوگا.
Sultan said that your murshid or your sheikh will remain the same. This is not implied by just that the nature of the spiritual benevolence is such that you are called a seeker, that you can receive or take the spiritual benevolence from more than one place. So your sheikh that you have, the tariqah that you follow will remain the same. It does not change your sheikh or change your tariqah. Lal Shahbaz Qalandar, their murshid was Ibrahim Qadri. But they also obtained spiritual benevolence from Sadruddin Qadri. They received some spiritual benevolence, then they went further and received more spiritual benevolence from Bahauddin Zakaria. And they were Sarwati. Then they went further and then they received spiritual benevolence from Bhuli Qalandar also. And they were Chishti. And when they returned, they became the leader of all of them. But the murshid remained the same, the one that was there from the beginning.
ادھر جو ہے نقشبندی کشتی قاضی سروادی کہتے ہیں ادھر کہنا جرم ہے جو سارے اللہ کے دوست.
It is here that we say Naqshbandi, Chishti, Qadri, Sarwati. Up there, they are all the friends of Allah, and it's a crime to say Chishti, Naqshbandi up there.
سب ایک ہی باڈی ہے کہ جسم کے پاس ہے کو کھینچے لے سکتے ہیں.
And they are all the same hairs of the one body. If you pull one, they are all hurt.
مشکل یہ ہے ان کو بولیں یہ ایک چابی ہے اجازت. ابھی تو تم مطمئن نہیں ہے نا تو چابی اپنے پاس رکھیں. جب تم مطمئن ہو جائے گا کسی اور ذریعے سے ایک پاس چابی ہوگی اس کو لگا رہے گا اجازت تیرے پاس ہوگا.
Because there is a permission for this, but some of you may not be convinced. And if when you will become convinced from any of the source, but what God says that this is the key that I give to you. Keep this key. And when you are convinced, then just turn it, do this practice.
اگر تم کی نہیں یہ کامرس نہیں ہو سکے گا تو تمہارا کیا دے گا چابی ہم واپس دے دیں.
So God says that if you do not become convinced, then don't worry. The key that I give to you, I'll take it back. Just trust your fortune.
اور جب تم چابی لگائے گا ہم تمہاری مدد کرے گا تمہیں ہم کو پیچھا نہیں پائے گا.
And then, if you possess the key, and then you turn it, then you will see that we are with you.
وہاں جائیں گے
Then I will help you.
بھائی حکم ہے.
By the command of God.
اس کے لیے ان کو میرے زبان کے ساتھ کہا کہ 3 دفعہ میں اللہ کو پڑھیں گا یہ بھی اللہ کو پڑھیں گے بس ابھی.
For this, you have to close your eyes and repeat after Sarkar verbally Allahu, Allahu, Allahu 3 times, and then that's your key.
پڑھوں گا
You wish to take this zikr now?
اور جس کو چابی نہیں لے رہی ہے وہ خاموش ہے وہ اللہ کہے گا.
Any person who does not wish to take this zikr, he must remain silent. And those of you who wish to take it, then you must repeat after Sarkar Allahu 3 times.
بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم. اللہ 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 لا الہ الا اللہ.
This is the mission that is being granted to you.
اب تم جانو تمہارے اللہ جانے. اگر کرے گا ہم تمہارے ساتھ ہیں نہیں کرے گا ہم کو کرنا نہیں.
Now it's up to you and up to God. If you do this practice, I will be with you. If you do not, then it's fine. You want to pray with me?
یا الہی رحم فرما یا لے یا لے کسی یا لے کسی اللہم